I've had this toaster for over a year now and I still love it. My favorite feature is you can customize the browning levels. You can go from lightly warm to perfectly crispy. There's dedicated bagel defrost and reheat modes, so no more burning the edges. The 4 slots are extra wide, so bagels and thick bread actually fit. I love it. It is a consistent, even browning every single time. If you want a toaster that's durable, fast, and gorgeous on your countertop, check this one out. I highly recommend it.